Sharp, sharp, sharp. All right. So, those of you who do not know me, my name is Doris Angel, a Ghanaian residing in Germany. Happy to have you all here. Currently, I'm doing RoyalQ full time until further notice, until duty calls me. Okay. All right. So, let me quickly share my screen. Please, whilst I'm doing the presentation, do not unmute yourself. Once I'm done, just type your questions down. Once I'm done, I would give you the chance to ask your questions. Okay, okay, okay. So where is all right. So that is it. Let's share the screen. Oh, I see new people in the house. Dr. Robert. Hey. Today we have a lot of doctors in the building. Doctors. I don't know if they are specialized in a particular field area or they are just general doctors. I love to have doctor friends so that if anything, I can ask them, Doctor, something is doing me. I feel this pain. Can you help me? What do I have to do? If you have a doctor friend, it's nice. Yeah. So, how do you earn? All of us, especially the new ones. I want the new ones to reply this message. I see Andrew is also new. He just joined. Dr. Robert, Dugirago, and Elikem. You are new to my meeting. Oh, Gan just sold. Joy David, Gan just sold. Your signal just sold. Then we have Cool Charles is also new, I think. Then Steven, yeah. Hey, Alice. I think Alice is from South Africa. We activated her recently. Great. So how do you earn? Can you type it in the chat? How do you earn? Are you an employee? Are you self-employed? Are you a business owner or are you an investor? Let's see some answers in the chat. Don't write everything. If you're an employee, just type E. If you earn money from only employee, just type E. That is if you are employed, okay? If you are self-employed, you are doing your own business, S. If you are doing E and S, right? E and S. If it's B and I, right? B and I. I want to open your mind to something. Great. So guys, okay, good. E and S, that is great. Good. Thanks for the feedback. So if you're an employee, it simply means you have a job and the job demands you to work for a certain number of hours. Then you are being paid, you are being compensated. That, hey, the 10 hours you did for today, this is how much we'll pay you. Most of the jobs that we do, they are salary jobs and we are being paid at the end of the month, right? So, end of the month, if you are only working, it means you are going to earn how many times in a year? How many times in a year? Do you have mathematicians here? Today, my Zoom will be interactive because I don't want to just lecture. If you're an employer, you only earn from the salary work that you are doing. How many times do you earn salary? Okay, thank you, my co-host 12. Thank you, Dr. Bushai. Good, I got the name right. Great. So it means 12 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So every month you get one money. Every month one. Okay, great. So it means under the employee section, if you don't go to work, you don't have to expect a pay, right? If you book in sick, you are not being paid. They deduct that number of hours you were absent from your total number of hours for the whole month. Then they pay you. So it means under the employee, those who are employees, it means there is no leverage over here. The number of times that you show up to work, the hours that you produce, that is what will determine how much salary you are going to take home at the end of the month. And if you are taking this for a whole year, it is only 12 times. Now let's look at self-employed. With the self-employed, you own a job. meaning you are your own boss. And the number of times that you yourself you open your shop and sell something or render some service to people will determine how much you make. So it means under the self-employed too, there is no leverage. It means if you don't show up, no work. If you don't show up, no money. I hope what I'm explaining is clear. I'm using simple English. If my English is too high, just type it in the chat that please, the English is too much for me. So I'll break it down into smaller pieces. So when you look at the screen, you would see that employee and self-employed, they fall under active income. It means you have to be there, fili. You have to show up before you can earn. If you don't show up, forget your pay. Now let's move to the other side of the quadrant. So business owner, you own a system whereby people work for you. So the more people you have, or the number of people you have will determine how much you would make. So over here, there is a leverage. And what's the leverage? People. The leverage here is people. I hope you all understand. Those of you that are sharing the RoyalQ opportunity, you are leveraging on people to make income. Because the downlines that you brought, they are also sharing the opportunity to other prospects. So when they come on board, you did not bring them, but you are earning because you have a system. I hope that is clear. So the more people you have, the more money you make. That is the business owner. So that one, it means with or without your presence, money will still flow. Now let's look at the investor. With the investor, your money works for you. What do we mean by your money works for you? How do you understand that? Most of you know this way back in the past, okay? We have banks, a lot of banks have different products that they render to their customers, like shares, we have treasury bills, we have a different types, okay? They are even now into exchanges, stock exchanges, and they have some products they sell that, oh, buy this thing for a whole year, we'll give you 5%. For a whole year, we'll give you this percent, okay? So that is your money working for you. Now, if you're already a member of RoyalQ and you are trading, your money is working for you because your money is trading for you. So over here, you don't need to show up. It's only your money that shows up to make more money for you. So this right hand side of the quadrant is called passive income. Now, if you are only earning from salary, I'll urge you to add just one part of passive income because it's nice to earn passively. Before I joined this Zoom, I was scanning some documents to send. At the same time, my mind was on the group chat. At the same time, looking for the link to share on all the groups. So when I saw our group, I was going to fetch the link when I was like, oh, there's a signal. Let me look at it. It was Joy David that posted it. And you know, the amazing part of it is she didn't know she would be able to share signal. She's here in the house. If she can type, she will tell you. She was like, hey, my leader, when will I learn this thing? Do you think I can even get this? I told her, never doubt yourself. Okay. Just be open, be willing to learn. Do you have Dinah Peters in the house? She gave us 2 or 3 signals today. Dinah Peter, is she there? Leader Margaret. Okay, it's
She
Ma Dinah
hasn't
that is
joined.
there.
She's not with us in the group right now.
Okay, great.
Mm.
She's also new, just a month or less than a month. Just yesterday, I asked her to watch the video. She's already bringing out signals. Isn't that awesome? Our money is working for us. I entered into the GAN coin How many minutes? It's not even less than, let me check. Where is done? Okay, I have the transaction record. So yeah, I entered 1947, 58 seconds. Then the robot bought again 1952, 51 seconds. Then it sold 2011, 44 seconds. How many minutes? In less than an hour. And this is a signal given to one of our team members who never believed in herself that she could even give out a signal. And it's working. If you take this profit conservative times, like consecutive times, 10 times or 20, or even just 5, that is money. So your money working for you. That is what we call passive income. So those of you that are only earning from only one part, I'll urge you to add one passive income in addition to your active income. Isn't that great? Because don't forget, the work we are doing, anything can happen, be it a global pandemic or be it something personal. I'm not wishing for anything bad, but it's life. Anything can happen. So you need to be prepared for the worst. So if the worst hits you, you know you have a backup plan. Now that you know the four quadrants of how to earn, how do you grow your wealth after you have earned either actively or passively? How do you grow your wealth? There are so many ways we can grow our wealth. We can grow it through the bank products that I mentioned earlier. We can also grow it through gold or silver by buying them. We could also grow it through mutual funds or SIP. Real estate is also there. But the amazing one that you can use to grow your wealth is through cryptocurrency. Why do I mention crypto? Because when you calculate how long cryptocurrency has been in existence till now, when you calculate in percentage wise, it's crazy. Last time I was like, maybe this post is wrong. I saw a post. I said, maybe this post is wrong. Let me get the right answer. I went to ChatGPT. Okay, I want to know how long in percentage wise from the day BTC was published till now. I couldn't even pronounce the figures. I don't know if I shared it on the Doris Angel group. I couldn't pronounce it. In percentage, oh, that tells you how huge. Sorry, I muted myself. That tells you that growing your wealth through crypto is the best. It's not a financial advice, but it's the best. I want to see if I can see. Yeah. Oh, interesting. I found it. Let me quickly stop the screen and share different screen so you can see that. Now the technology there, where it has gotten to. I just went to my chat GPT, the previous search that I did. So I just went to the search, I typed just a keyword and it brought it out. So yeah. So Bitcoin price on July 4th. Okay, I did this search around that time. In percentage wise, this is the growth. 1 million. So it said, so yes, the growth is approximately 1 million, blah, blah, blah. It did the calculation for me because I'm like, I saw this post and I'm not sure the post is true. So let me go and verify it. If someone tell you something, you really have to verify. So like, yes, the statement is technically true. Bitcoin has grown around Eish, Mr. Ernest, I think I'm rather wrong. Oh. It's not 1 million. Please pronounce the figure for me. I was coming to make mistake boldly. How much figure is this? Because it is not million. How much is this? Mathematicians.
1 trillion,
1 trillion.
1 trillion and
1 trillion and 78
1 trillion
billion.
billion.
Jesus, Jesus,
Yeah.
Jesus. I'm even confused. So me, I was saying 1 million. You
No,
see, I'm
1 trillion
making
and
mistakes.
78 billion%.
Jesus, Jesus. The thing has catapulted my brain. Like my brain is not working.
Holy Ghost fire, receive anointing.
Jesus. Is that Pastor Joseph's voice? Pastor
No, this
Joseph, is
is
that you?
Victor Uncle T.
Oh wow, you
Uncle T.
sound just like Pastor Joseph. Hey, this is
Receive the anointing.
serious. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Like I can't think far. The thing is making me as if mental, but I reject mental. Hey, so me, I was just
Receive
telling
it.
people
Receive the
one
grace
million.
to mathematically pronounce.
Yes, I can't even pronounce it. Like I'll make a mistake. I'll end up biting my tongue. Hey, so have you seen it? So ChatGPT said, yes, you are right. It gave me the calculation. You know, you go and meet some professor, these book long people, they'll tell you that's not true. How can one asset grow like this? It's impossible. Crypto is a scam. Let us continue. I I arrest my case. Like the thing, I don't even know. I don't even know what to say again. Like my words are finished. My words are finished. It's like I'm getting confused, but I'm coming back on track. Hey. Hey, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. It's Leader Doris great here. I hope if I say Osadubuachineke, you don't say, hey, hey. It's like you start even calling gods with the attributes of. Calm down, calm down. Wait, wait, guys. Let me sip some water before I can continue. I have to drink on this figure. So I was like, ah. So all this while I was pronouncing the figure wrongly. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, when you have too much zeros, you don't even know what to say. So the next question is, what is cryptocurrency? Now that you know passive and active income, how, when we are saying you can grow your wealth through crypto, what is cryptocurrency? In 2008, a group of people anonymously known as Satoshi Nakamoto, till date, we don't know if they are a single person or a group of people, or we don't even want to know. The most important is whatever he brought is working. Full stop. The rest, those who are history people, which people have been doing research, they can go and research into it. We are here to make money. Guys, they created the first and leading cryptocurrency in the market today, Bitcoin. Bitcoin. When I joined RoyalQ in 2021, Bitcoin was around 28,000. Think by then I made a big mistake. I should have just sold my mother's house and just buy one, just one. I'd have even gotten more than one. Then it went as high as 69,000 that same year, 2021. You know what happened? After it went high, it started going down. In fact, the dip that it went, from 69K to 15K. Come and see people, the anti-Bitcoin people, or how should we call them? Anti-Bitcoin. Yes, anti-crypto people. Oh, didn't I tell you guys? Oh, we said it. We said it. It has collapsed. Crypto is gone. Crypto is dead. You see social media caption. Ah, Bitcoin crashing. Will it be alive? Can it stand the test of the A? They say crypto is finished. People were laughing. But those who have been studying this cryptocurrency, they know that is a trend. A coin that started from where? Let's go to Coin Market Cap. Let me open your eyes more. Leader is going to say, I'm here. Oh. You are there. Chideke me. Oh. Hey. Look at the all-time low of BTC. This is the all-time low. One BTC by then was not even up to $1. $1. This is the all-time low. Look at the all-time high. 111,000. Something that it went from 28K to 69K, then dropped to 15K. Look at where it got to. This is the recent all-time high. 111,000. Currently, it's playing around 107,000 thereabout. So I pity and love people who are investing in platforms that tells them, oh, BTC never goes down. It's always up, 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 giving us profit. I say, these people, are they okay? Are they normal? Don't they watch financial news? How can you say a cryptocurrency just goes up, it never comes down? It's not possible. Do you get it? If you have all this knowledge and all this information, you go on arguments with them boot to boot because you know what you are talking about. Let us continue. So, guys, aside Bitcoin, there are so many cryptocurrencies. There are a lot. We all know President Trump. He brought his own meme coin. Today, if you check coin market cap, it's around number 20 something, if I'm not mistaken, unless it has gone down again. We all know Elon Musk. He has his own coin, Dogecoin. And people are paying staffs, and you have to pay with Dogecoin. That is what we call cryptocurrency. They are digital assets. It has to pass through a system to become physical cash at your hand. And Bitcoin was launched in 2009. That was when it was out for everybody can buy and sell or trade it. Ask yourself, where were you in 2009? That year, where were you? Even from 2009 to 2017, go and check the price of Bitcoin as at 2017. It was very cheap. But yet, most of us did not have the education. All we got was, hey, crypto, you can't do it, so it's for rich people. Hey, you, can you tag crypto? Hey, no. One of our team members even said, do you know, my leader, all this while I thought you must have the actual price for one Bitcoin before you can buy. I said, oh, no. You can even purchase $5 of Bitcoin, $3, $10, $15, depending on the exchange you are buying it on. I'll just use one of my friends as an example. She joined RoyalQ 2 years ago. She was like, oh, me, this your thing, the account to me. What's all this? All this. I think crypto is not my thing. Let me just leave. I said, okay, no problem. I helped her. We withdrew her fuel fee, placed it on her wallet. And she had one coin that was not sold off completely, but it later sold off. She had some small Ethereum, like that's Ethereum. I was at a program on Friday in my daughter's school when she called. Duh, duh, you won't believe it, duh. I said, why are you calling me duh? Is everything okay? What's happening? She said, hey, this your crypto thing is too much. I said, what has happened? Did you go and invest in some platform? She said, duh, do you remember I withdrew all my money from Binance and I was left with some small dollars. Hey, you won't believe it, oh. As I'm talking to you, I have over $300. I said, that's a lie. It's not true. Do you know $300? I was telling her maybe she's mentioning a different figure. She said, no. I showed it to a friend, and a friend said, so you have this money in crypto and you didn't know. So I said, let me send you a screenshot. She sent me. I said, hey, it's true. You have some money here in this asset, BTC, you have in Ethereum. He said, what did I do? I didn't do anything now. I said, I can't believe it. I said, my dear, BTC has not gotten anywhere. Ethereum has not gotten anywhere. This year is bull run. Leave it. You don't come and do RoyalQ. Just leave it there. He said, oh no, hey, this money I've seen like that. Me, I want to take it. So my body is doing me something. I said, okay, take it. She cashed out. How much did she get in Ghana cedis? Because she relocated from Ghana to UK. She was in Ghana when she had the account. So she used her P2P. And do you know how much she got? Let me share my, you know me, I like proof. Seeing is believing, right? I'm those type of people. So I always like to prove to people. She was like, oh my God. She was so excited. She said, hey, I just get money, free money like that. Is that how this your crypto is? And you see, 4,849. She said, what did I do? Hey, just 2 years I left this small money and it became like this. I said yes. She couldn't believe it. He said, hey, then this is good. And I'm like, so why won't you come? Oh, I don't know. You know me, I don't think I can do it. I said, you don't have to do anything. And me, I don't know how to bring people. I said, my dear, you don't need to bring anybody. You come and just connect the robot and leave the robot. Oh no, you don't worry, I'll think about it. I said, okay. A day will come, you'll be looking for this money you will not get, and you will know that you think about it or not. You see, sometimes you don't know what is wrong with some people. And she said, Doh, I no work, no work done, but I made 4,600. No be juju be this. Let me share this one so that you see. She like, I don't know, some people, I think, I don't want to say spiritual, because if I go and say spiritual now, people say, "Hey, this lady, we are coming to Zoom, she's being spirituality on the Zoom." Because what else? See her message. She's my friend. I really like her. She said, "Door, don't laugh at the door." Okay, that's short name of Doris. No work done, but I made 4,600 Ghana cedis. No be juju be this. I laugh. And I said, I be do crypto. You say you don't have time for crypto. That's that same crypto you left small money in it. See how much it became. He said, I won't do what I don't understand. But I like the money. You yourself, you grade this. Tell me what is this? How can we define this situation? The doctors in the house, this kind of patient, which this I can't even get a diagnosis of her situation. Talk less
She's
of knowing
popomiasis.
Papomiasis. Talk less of knowing which drugs to give her to cure her. Cause I
She's
can't
afraid
think
of
far.
losing the money, so she's popoing against it. But she likes the money too.
Eh, this one is not fair. Something you didn't work for. You are just there, all the thing multiply like this. And you say, I can't do something I don't understand. And she's a very smart lady. Hey, I said I'm intelligent, but this one, if she joined this our business, you people, you people say, I told you that Doris was intelligent, so I didn't know that someone there behind. Hey, the girl is too. Let's not go there. So,
Acute
guys,
confusion.
hmm, guys, imagine that is. I'm just chipping in this so that our new people will see what is crypto. There are over 20,000 cryptocurrencies. There are a lot. And this same crypto can scam you all in the name of crypto. Wednesday, I made mention. Well, no, Saturday, I made mention. I was there when my friend called. Ado, uh, my uncle in law says there is this business called crypto. And I'm like, I know Doris have been doing crypto since 2021. It's only one crypto I know, and she has never lose money. Which one is this that you have to bring 3,000 euros? I'm like, as soon as she finished describing the business, I saw, I know the name. It's called MTS Two Fro. He said, how did you know it? I said, I'm in the industry now. I told her, please tell your uncle. I won't talk a lot. Tell your uncle to go and type at ChatGPT. If he's not having ChatGPT, let him download it and type, what is MTS Two Fro? She came back. The uncle came back thanking him. Her. He said, hey, and we have already sent 3,000 euros. So we're coming to take your own that you should also come and invest. They say your money will double in 54 days, between 45 to 54 days. He said, hey, what have we done? They said they only trade BTC. They give you a particular time. Once you miss it, that is all. And it has a percentage. it trades with your own capital. It only trades 1%, but you don't lose trade. They say you don't lose trade though, but if you lose trade, they'll refund you your money back. So it's like they themselves, they are confusing the statement. I told her, please don't go and invest. They say, now you are doing RoyalQ how many years now? I didn't do, and I should come and do this one. Are you normal? If I'll do any business, it's RoyalQ because that is what has stand the test of time. Since 2021, you are in your 5th year in the business. 5 years now. But you are celebrating your 4 years anniversary. I say, yeah. I didn't talk a lot. So, guys, this same crypto, people are using the name to scam others. So, you need to open your eyes. You need to get the information. And now, information is easy to find. You don't have to go to Google. Google will give you so much search, and you will not even know which is which, how to maneuver through it. It's like Google is like a sea. You just be swimming through. That is why we have AIs now. It's not a search engine, but it gets the answer for you from the search engines. Make good use of it. Now, let's look at some quick facts about cryptocurrencies. Are you guys enjoying this session? Knowledge is power indeed. Knowledge is power. That is Leader Margaret from South Sudan. I like this woman too much. Guys, the percentage I've seen in BTC is as if I'm drunk. Like, hey, global digital currency. Crypto is a digital money that can be used globally with the same value worldwide. It means this 300 USDT that my friend got, 300 and something, wherever she is in the world, is the same 300 and something. They'll not say, okay, because you are in Europe and me, I'm in Africa. If Africa 300 USDT is different from America 300 USDT, no, it's the same currency globally. The value is the same. Just that when you are converting it in your native currency, that is when it will differ. Okay. Now, it is built on a blockchain technology. This cryptocurrencies, it runs on blockchain and it's secured by cryptography that makes it hack proof, and it has the fastest transaction mode. It's also a decentralized finance. If you hear crypto terminology, DeFi, it's not someone's name. It's just a short form of decentralized finance. Now, cryptocurrencies transactions are peer to peer and not controlled by any central authority or bank. This is one unique thing that we all love about it. You can choose to send whatever amount to anybody and nobody will call you, hey, why did you send this money to this person? It's too much now. Why did you send? No, it's not controlled by any central authority or bank, and it's peer to peer. You can send it among each other. Okay. Now let's look at the growth. I don't really have to explain a lot about the growth because I've showed you on the chat GPT. Bitcoin, along with many other cryptocurrencies, has shown the highest growth in value in the last 10 years. This makes crypto the best performing digital asset as compared to any other forms of investment. This is Amazon. Then we have Tesla. Then we have Apple. Then we have Bitcoin. Meaning the time that we did this PDF, this figure we wrote here is past. So this is outdated. Now replace the 569,000, replace it by this money we all couldn't pronounce, replace it over there. Then we have S&P 500. Then we have Google. Then we have Microsoft and gold. This is a proof that the best performing assets within the last decade is Bitcoin. Now, are you interested in investing in such an asset? Let's look at how the various ways we can earn from cryptocurrencies. One, investing and holding. That is what my friend did. That she didn't even know the meaning of what she did. She didn't even understand it. She just left some coins there and just closed her mind. I'm just saying it in tree, translate it in tree. Otuna dream. Just close her mind. Oh, Let's just leave it there. That coins wouldn't do anything for me. So, crypto investing is the act of buying and holding crypto assets to derive higher appreciation in the future. Just 2 years and see what happened. Mining. What is mining? Mining is the process used to generate new coins and verify new transactions over decentralized networks of computers around the world that verify and secure blockchains. You can check the price of Bitcoin mining machines. It ranges from 1,000 euros and above. But ask yourself, where will you put that machine? Is it in your neighborhood? They'll just go and report you because it makes noise. The noise that it makes, hey, I don't even know. It makes a lot of noise. It consumes a lot of electricity. But it's a way to earn in crypto. People have Bitcoin mining machines. Big companies own it. Okay. Then we have staking. Staking is another way to earn from crypto. Staking is when you lock crypto assets for a set period of time to help support the operation of a blockchain. In return for staking your crypto, you earn more cryptocurrencies. Are we following? I hope nobody is saying stars. I hope nobody is saying, what is she saying? I don't understand the whole show. I hope we don't have people saying that. Do you understand? Because this one I'm using class 1 English, elementary 1. I hope everybody is following till this point. These are the various ways. But the popular way we earn from crypto is trading. And that is what you and I have been doing. What is trading? Crypto trading inclines more towards the shorter or quicker route. It seeks refuge in the volatility. Is Dr. Umar here? That is his favorite word. Unfortunately, Dr. Umar is not here. Shame. Is Rabbi here? Hey, where are all of them? Okay. Hey, Rabbi is here, but he joined with a different name. Okay, I see you now. So, it seeks refuge in the volatility. If we say volatility, the thing is going up and down, up and down. You see how the dollar and cedis have been moving, dollar and euro, or pounds, and how we call it volatility. Don't bite your tongue. Volatility. That's movement. It goes up, come down, goes up, come down. Like that. So with the crypto trading, this is where we make our money. When the price fluctuates, it goes up, goes down. We call it fluctuations. One can pay close attention to the crypto markets and invest in day trading for quicker trading profits. Like I made. Let me quickly share my screen. So now you see, we've made crypto trading easy. In our team, we have a lot of great leaders. Leaders like Leader VC in Nigeria. That just taught us some simple strategy. We don't have to go and learn trading view. Those who don't make it to the early mornings, because sometimes it's 3 a.m. in Ghana time or what a.m. in Ghana time. You can't trade. You are like, hey, I can't wake up. Oh, the body is tired. I want to do it, but you understand. Some of us too, during that time, that is when we are preparing for the school children to go to school. How can we join and watch the screen? It's not possible unless we watch old video. You want to recruit, you can't mix all together. But VC gave us a short strategy. I just started using it 2 days ago and look at my results. 8th of July, I've made profit for the day. Just one signal. It gave me 1.48. Guess how much I invested? I think $17. Gave me 1.48. This 21 is not more than $50. This is what we call the crypto trading. So you pay close attention to the market and you enter when you think it's necessary or it's important to enter. Then quickly take your profit and come out. It's like sharp, then you come out. You get all this knowledge from this business. So are you interested? Are you interested in this crypto business? If you didn't invite your prospect, hey, I don't know when else I'll go into this spirit, this realms. I don't know when. Hey, if your prospect didn't show up, they have to watch recorded version. Would you want to learn? Would you want to know more? Joy David is in the house. I said, this is easy to learn. Dinah Peter, I said, go and watch this video. I referred her. Today I saw her giving signals. She was giving two. I said, hey, they all sold. The lady who didn't believe in herself, he said, I know myself. Like, this is not possible. I said, you give yourself 1 month cry is small. Before you know, you are picking your own signal. I say, hey, I can't wait for that day. That day has happened. I said it on Friday or Thursday. It has happened. She gave us a signal, gun. Where is it? Let's go to WhatsApp. Hey, where is the Doris Angel group? This is it. Gun. Gun USDT. We entered. We long it. We took 1%. We are out. I got my $1.48. I'm out. Imagine I didn't use $15. I used 150. How much would I have made? $14 or $15. I'm out. Imagine I didn't use 150. I used 1,500. How much would I have made? I'm out. Someone who didn't believe in herself is working. Is sold. And all thanks to our great leader, leader VC from Nigeria. We have leaders in our team. Oh, they have the gumption day. So make good use of it. He has his YouTube channel. I'll post it on the group and you can all follow and get knowledge. Leader Aminata is there. So many people in our team, all in our team. You learn this free of charge when people pay 5,000 euros, 1,000 euros, 3,000 to learn trading. You are learning it here free. Now, I believe you are interested in getting to know more about crypto, or you would also want to learn, right? There are requirements because in life, everything you do comes with requirements. You have to get the knowledge, you have to get the time, you have to get the patience. Like as we are talking, if we talk about volatility, do you understand? If we say bearish and bullish, do you understand? If we say market is coming down, do you understand? If we say this is a good entry, do you understand? You need all this knowledge. But guys, don't worry. We have the ultimate solution for you. What's the ultimate solution? We present to you the Royal Quantitative Artificial Intelligence Robot. Bakope. Only one, the whole world. Original. There is no, you can't get anyone like RoyalQ. None. What is the RoyalQ robot? What does it do? So RoyalQ is a super intelligent automated crypto trading bot that uses artificial intelligence algorithm to trade for you in your crypto exchanges. Just think of it as if you are hiring a crypto trading expert to do your crypto trading while you can sit back and watch the profit grow. Instead of going to give your money to a broker. Oh, these people there, they said they are MTS people. Oh, they said, oh, yeah. So a very good pastor of mine told me, oh, they are really good. This doctor cannot lie to me. They are really good. The doctor himself, he doesn't even know. So the doctor himself doesn't even know that what they are saying is not true. So you trust in the doctor. He's a good doctor, but he doesn't even know what they are telling him about. He also believes the person giving him the information. Don't go and give your money to any person to trade for you. RoyalQ, you don't have to give him the money. Where will the money lie? The money will lie in your exchange. You just do the connectivity, give the instructions. The robot does the rest. That is all. Voila. Now let's look at some quick features about RoyalQ. What makes RoyalQ the best and different among the rest? One, security. Security. Very important feature is very important to those who live in flat apartments in Europe. I believe you all have a common key to your building. And if you've been noticing, when the landlord give you the keys, they tell you that this entrance door there, make sure you keep it well, oh, you keep it safe. It's not supposed to get missing. You know why? When it get missing, wahala, they have to change the whole door because they have to get a new lock and give the key to everybody in the building. Do you understand? For your main door there, you can lose it. They'll give you a new one. But the main door that you open to enter into the flat, that one, they tell you, don't joke with it. Oh, if you lose this key, 5,000 euros, you go pay sharp, sharp. Why do they say that? Because of security. Because once that key gets missing and get into the wrong hands, they can get into the building and whatever they do, they do. So everybody is at risk. We have that same security here, and it's very important. This is one thing that I love about the RoyalQ robot. Your capital and your trading profit remains in your exchange wallet, in your control, on which RoyalQ doesn't have permission to withdraw or transfer. What do we mean by exchange wallet? Because someone is here, they don't even understand. All they know is wallet. And wallet, this thing that I keep my money inside. This is exchange wallet. So exchange is a crypto platform where one can buy crypto, sell crypto, trade crypto. Let's say in short, transacting crypto plus fiat on the platform. That is what we call an exchange. So it means your trading capital that you use for the business, it will not be on the RoyalQ app. That is why we say your capital and your profits is safe with you. You are the only one that can withdraw or transfer. Two, super intelligent AI. That is RoyalQ. It executes quantitative trading using artificial intelligence, real-time monitoring and tracking of big data algorithms. That is, continuous income is generated. Three, it works 24/7. There is no human being that can work 24 hours, 7 days in a week straight. Maybe you should tell me that human. It has to be on the Guinness Book of Record. It's not possible. You need to take a break, no matter who you are. You need to take breaks in between. But you see, these are RoyalQ robots. A trade for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without taking a leave. It also has the 24/7 real-time monitoring. So you can make money even while you sleep on auto mode. Last night, Cool for Joe. Is he in the building? Cool for Joe. Hey, the people that I vibe with on the group, when I come to Zoom and I don't see them, I don't even understand. I feel like lashing them because they can relate, they can really. Cool for Joe. Someone should call him on the WhatsApp group. Cool for Joe. He brought a signal. Beam X. I brought Ave. We woke up. It sold. It sold. One sold around 2 a.m. The other sold around 1 a.m. We were asleep. Who sold it? The robot. We issued out the command. We left it to do its work. When it reached take profit, it sold, gave us our money and our capital. It's in the exchange. Hope you understand. So that is what we say 24/7. Do you love this robot? Do you love this robot? Someone say, hey, this girl, her mouth is sweet, so she can say, hey, she can succulent things, so hey, she can make the thing attractive. Oh. It's not. I'm not exaggerating. The users are here. They can attest to what I'm saying. Me, I'm not saying it's sweet. Maximum return on investment. Although profit depends on your trading capital and market conditions, still you can expect 10 to 30% monthly profit and in long term 100 to 500 annual return on investment. Yeah, it's true, it's possible. Affiliate income. RoyalQ also comes with an exciting affiliate program which is completely optional. This one there is not by force. So I have people in my team. They've not brought a single soul. They've activated 3 times in the business. They're only making profit from trading. That's their choice. It's okay. RoyalQ will not say, okay, you because you haven't brought a single soul, instead of we giving you 1% profit, we'll do it, let's do it 0.5 because you are not bringing anybody to the community. You're not letting us make money. So your take profit will reduce it. Though you wanted to take 1%, we'll give you 0.5. Please, lie. Choose your choice. But if you decide to share RoyalQ with your friends, your family, your loved ones, your exes, your enemies, name it, you earn wonderful commissions on their profits too. As they activate, you are being compensated because if not for you, the person wouldn't have heard of the opportunity. So a little nice way of saying thank you for bringing this person. Take your compensation. As they are trading and they are making profits, you are being compensated. I hope that is clear. So if you don't bring anybody, you don't earn anything from affiliate marketing, and that is okay. Now, how do you get started? Now that you know a little about crypto, you know a little about RoyalQ, a tool that helps you to trade in crypto, whether you have knowledge or not. But as you are on board and you are using the robot, it will give you all the knowledge you need. How would you get started? You need 2 applications, the RoyalQ app and the Binance. Now, aside the Binance, we have other 8 exchanges you can connect with the RoyalQ robot. We have HTX, we have Indodax, we have Kraken, we have OKS, Bybit, KuCoin, Mexi, Gate.io, and which one? OKS, yeah. So all these exchanges, you can connect them to the RoyalQ. You have nothing to be afraid of. That, hey, if my money is on funding, won't the robot blow it? Never. I've been doing this business since 2021 June. I've never experienced that. Neither have I met someone who has experienced that. We had one team member in Spain. She left a year. She said she was pregnant. She couldn't do the business again. She couldn't talk, blah, blah, blah. She doesn't even feel like doing anything. So she just deleted the app and she left. Nothing. Everything was okay. In a year time after delivery, she returned. Oh, my leader, I want to come back to the business. Oh, but I had some money. I want to check if it's still on Binance. I said, oh, yeah, let's go. Went to Binance. The money was still there. She even had some full fee on her RoyalQ. It was still there. And guys, she couldn't believe it. She said, I thought my money would go. I said, go to where? Because you are gone, you thought your money to go. No. Your money is on your exchange. Who will take it? If your RoyalQ robot expires, it doesn't mean the robot has to take your money in your Binance. She was shocked to see it. Okay. So yes, you just need these 2 applications, but you cannot just jump. No, hey, I know it all and go and download the app. You end up getting a fake. So that is why you need to use the appropriate medium to get on board. Whoever introduced you to this opportunity, you need to go to them and take the respective referral links. The exchange, if you don't have an exchange, and the RoyalQ link. Once you register, it redirects you to another page where you can tap on the download button. Then it sends you to your Google Play Store, your Android store, or your app store to go and download the appropriate app. To register and download the app is free of charge. You don't pay anything. But you need to activate the RoyalQ app with a fee of 120 USDT. It doesn't end there. You need full fees. What are full fees? Full fees are 20% of whatever profit that you make. Okay, so the 1.4 something profit I made, I paid 20% of full fee from that. Everybody pays it. Be it you are trading on futures or spot, you pay full fees. Okay? Then you need trading capital because the 120 you paid there is for the service of the robot. When you buy a car, don't you pay for it? You pay for the car and you have to buy fuel in it, right? So, yes, you pay for the robot that will be doing the work for you. Then you can now connect it to your exchange. Then you get the capital. So, the capital, then the robot will do the rest of the work. Now, in this slide, I highlighted Binance. Why? Because it's not just any crazy trading platform, it's a great trading platform. It's the world's largest crypto marketplace, world's first ranked crypto exchange. Binance sometimes can have a daily volume of $76 billion. It's the leading crypto exchange in the world. It has highly secure facilities, up to 5 levels of security keys. Only you can withdraw or transfer. Because we cannot trade futures in Germany on Binance, I took my mother's Binance and my brother. So I'm able to log into my mother's Binance. After they did the verification, I opened it and I was able to enter. Once I entered on the device, when I log out and log in another account, which is my brother's own, they don't allow me. They say I should do facial verification. And I know I'm not my brother. So how can I do facial verification? So I have to call him, hello, can you do this? Can you do that? So it means only my mother's son that I can have access on my iPad. So you see, when we say highly secure facilities or NAMPO, forget it. You now your own money. You ask that, why? My own money, why do I have to bring this code, this Google Authenticator? I have to do facial. What is all this? Yes, they are protecting it for you. So that is why we say not even RoyalQ can withdraw your funds. So that is the Binance. Let's quickly branch to CoinMarketCap. Let me show you something. So exchanges. These are ranks of exchanges, top exchanges, like all top 200 exchanges is what you see here. And what we have here is Binance, number one. Always Binance is number one. Now, within the last 24 hours, $13.83 billion has been transacted here. That is crazy money. That is mad. And you can see all the other exchanges. This is 2 billion, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Some are in million, million, million. Only Binance. Look at the gap. 13.83 billion. I'm bandy. Oh, Nampo. Do you get it? When I scroll down, you see some common floor members exchanges. Those ones there, million. This one is how much? $11,000. The 251 one. You can see. So, guys, RoyalQ, the exchanges they gave us to trade with, they are top notch exchanges. And when it comes to security, you have nothing to be afraid of with. Okay. All right. So, a recap about RoyalQ. It's an AI robotic trading platform. If someone asks you, these are the things you have to give. You can screenshot. AI robotic trading platform, trading on your various exchanges for you. We have over 2.5 million or 2 million users worldwide in over 200 areas. And we have made a profit of over 184 million USDT. It's also top 7 financial app on iOS and Google Play Store. It is the first ever quantitative AI trading application. That's why I say Onampo. Onampo means you will not get it. Forget it. You will not get it. Now, another unique feature of RoyalQ is the API binding. And this is what makes it stands out. API stands for Application Programming Interface. What does it do? It helps the robot to communicate with your exchange. Just like the way you have your Google Pay or your Apple Pay and your bank. You added your bank card to your Google Pay or your Apple wallet. So anytime you want to pay for a good or a product or a service, you use the Apple Pay, right? So the Apple Pay have to go to your bank. Hello, hello. Doris wants to buy this. Can we take it? Permit us to take this money. Then they take it. So the Royal Q serves like your Apple Pay or your Google Pay, and the Binance serves like your bank. So we usually call it crypto bank. So what binds these two together so they can communicate is the API. And what does it do? Read your balance and buy and sell. That is all. No withdrawal, no transfer. The RoyalQ activation, I made mention of the activation fee. It's a yearly fee. If you pay the 120, it's for the whole year. After the next year, if you don't want to pay, if you like, don't renew. If you like, renew. Nobody cares. Okay? Now, this 120, let me show you how we get paid. The 120, RoyalQ keeps 40 and distributes 80 back to the line of networkers. That is those who shared opportunity. Then the full fees too, they convert it into 100%. RoyalQ keeps 30 and distributes 70 to the line of networkers. Now let's look at the compensation plan of RoyalQ. That is those who shared opportunity. Um, there are so many ways to earn from RoyalQ. One, which is your self-trading profit. That is you now, your own capital. That one has nothing to do with how many people did you bring on board. It has nothing to do with that. Two, activation bonus. Means if I give you my link and you activate with my link, I'll earn $60. That is the bonus I get on the rank that I am on, the fourth rank. Now, there is another bonus. We call it team trading bonus. So whoever you brought on board, as they are trading, you earn what we call direct quantification. So if I brought Leader Doris, great. She's trading. Once she's making profit, I'm being compensated. That is the team trading profit. Leader Doris, great, brought a lot of people in the business. If those people are trading, my share is in because she happens to fall in my team and her downlines are my indirect. So that is what we call the trading profit. Sorry about that. Yeah. Aside trading profit, we also earn what we call mentorship bonus. Now, mentorship bonus is bonus that you get from guiding someone who is in the business. And guys, a lot of money has been made from there. I've made over $2,000 from there, which is great. I don't have a lot of students that I guide, but still I've been able to earn from there. So that's another avenue. If you don't even want to share the opportunity, just try and get to the second level so that you can get the mentorship badge. You apply for it, then you can start guiding people. Once you teach them, like for instance, the way Leader Joy posted this signal. She has some mentors that she wants to, mentees she wants to be helping with their trade. She can help them. And if you have a mentor trading with $10,000, 20,000, they are making profit. You're also being compensated. That's a cool way of earning from the system. The last one is being a circle lord. Who is a circle lord? A circle lord is a copy trader, someone who comes out with their own unique trade settings. Though RoyalQ has its own default settings, but a circle lord also comes out with their strategy. My strategy is one touch, and these are my trade settings. So once you join them, you sync to their circle, you pay strategy fee. So that is how they also earn income. Okay. So yes, that is it. The activation bonus ranges from $30 to $70 depending on the rank you are. And the team trading profit ranges from 4 to 12%. Okay, that is for the 20. So yes, this are all as follows. And I don't have a live trade that I will share with you, but let me take you through the app. Let me stop sharing this screen and share a different screen. I'm almost done. I'll be done exactly 15. No, it's almost 15. Hold on. Let me log in. I want to share this screen. So the new prospects, those who joined us for the first time today, I hope you have learned something. Unfortunately, I don't have a live trade. This account is purposely for futures. So I don't over trade over here, but I have something to show you. So this is how the RoyalQ application looks like. This is how it looks like. This is the interface. And when you log in with your credentials, it opens it like this. Then you can browse through it. Okay. So we have the home button, we have the strategy where you see the coins that are trading. We have the circle, that is the copy traders I made mention of. We have copy traders that they have made a total profit of 21,000, and the total profit rate is more than 321,000. Okay. We have, this is a copy traders profit 210,000 USDT, 217,000. That is crazy money. These are all traders of RoyalQ. They've been there. I know this one has been there since 2021, and AI boats too since 2021. Few of them, I know them. Okay. Their profit rate is mad. One, two, three, four, five, six, 1,000,000% profit rate. That is crazy, man. Crazy. So don't joke with this opportunity. Those are the copy traders. Okay. So when you go to profit details, these are the profits. Now, this business is not a return on investment. Okay. Depending on the market movement. Some days you make good, some days you don't make at all, some days you make little. But the good thing is your capital is safe. Your profit is safe. Nobody is touching it. You can withdraw your profit anytime. RoyalQ will not say, okay, you people that you are new trading. You can take your profit in, let's give them 100 days or 25 days. No. This 1.48, it has added up to my total asset. If I want to withdraw it, I can withdraw it. It's my own business. It has nothing to do with RoyalQ. Okay. Yesterday I made 14. Uh Sit, I made 21, 12. In that order. You can see there was a day that I even made $40 just on one day. Okay. So it's all dependent on the market. But this is a future trade, and that one we pick signals. So you can just pick the signals. So the more signals you pick, the more profit you make if they deliver on time. So when you tap on the profit analysis, you'll be able to see that these are future results. You go to currency profit, you'll be able to see how much in total you have made from each coin that you have traded. I started this account, today is exactly a month, and 198 has been made, though the capital is not much. That is great. Imagine this money in Ghana cedis. 198 times 198 times 12. This is 2,376. I know one old RoyalQ member earning 700 Ghana cedis. Do you know where she works at? She works at a premier betting company. Those who go and betting. She's one of the secretaries who have been taking the money. Okay, which fixtures do you want? Okay, which one are you taking? Aha. She's earning 700 Ghana cedis a month. And how much have I earned just from trading? 2,376. Be there and be deceiving yourself. Oh, I can't do this right here. Hey, I don't have time. Okay, be giving the excuses. Excuses will pay your bills for you. Okay, we don't have excuses. We are moving. So let me share this screen. So I've showed you some part of trading results. Unfortunately, I don't have a live trade. I would have showed you anytime the robot purchases or sells, you are being alerted. I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. So let's go to the mine button. First, let's go to the mentorship. Are you guys still there? I hope you are not sleeping. So this is the mentorship. I have made 2,395. If you want to calculate it in cedis, that is 28,740 Ghana cedis. Why am I mentioning cedis? Because I'm a proud Ghanaian, and that is where I'm coming from. I want my Ghana people to understand the whole show. Let's go to mine and look at how much I've made from my $100. Currently, I only have 27. Let's see the withdrawals I made. Today, I withdrew 220. You can see 2 USDT was deducted. Then few days, 163, 99, 76, 194. I withdraw like no man's business. 26, 28, 30, 2, 4. I'm just withdrawing like anytime I just see the money, I just withdraw. I withdraw like I don't care. What is your account? Allow me to withdraw. Okay, you can withdraw every day. When you withdraw every day, be ready to pay $2 every day. Okay, any withdrawal you make $2. Imagine withdrawing 470, they only charge $2. Eh? If it's some company will say, this money you are withdrawing is too much, we'll not take $2, we'll take more than $2. No. Since 2021 till now. Okay. All right, that's from team building. That's why you see team quantification, mentor bonus, team quantification, mentor bonus. Then you see activation gain and blah blah blah. Now let's go to reward details. So this is activation gain. I told you the activation gain is broken into three parts: activation gain, activate peer income, activate global dividends. This is for the last rank earners. Then direct quantification. Those that are directly under me that are trading. Anytime they are making profit, I'm earning something. Okay, so you can see it as follows. You can see your. Let's go to team. Team is also broken into how many parts? Three parts. We have team quantification, peer reward, global dividend. This one is last rank earners. Global means you earn from everybody on planet Earth, even planet Mars. Using RoyalQ, you earn from them. Don't you want this? Tell me, imagine making 175,000 Ghana cedis from team building. Just your team members. Direct 24,000. Activation 525,000. Hey, what are you talking about? I beg you. Oh yeah. Clear road make a come. That be why I carry royalty from my head top as if I'm selling at the market. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end my presentation with my favorite quote, which is what? By Warren Buffett. He says, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you work until you die. This one no be care, so you know Africans, everything they take it personal. Hey, this woman, like joke like play, she's cursing us. Why would she make such a statement? I beg. No be me talk am. This one. Now Warren Buffett. If you don't know him, go and read about him. Go and ask ChatGPT who is Warren Buffett. He said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you work until you die. And it's the reality of life, it's the fact. So, guys, if you are here, someone invited you to look at this opportunity, please. Oh, you don't need to go and ask the gods. This is the right plug for you. If you want to make money like crazy, want to make money like no man's business, take it seriously. You will make great money on this platform. But mind you, it's not those get rich quick scheme that you come today, no, you expect to make the money you invested today. Nay, please. But it's possible you can make it. If you don't be disappointed. Okay. So this is Royal Q I present to you. Thank you all for staying in and listening to the end. I hope you learned something. Let's see some reactions. Give me some love, some confetti, some kisses. Let me know if you got everything clear. Did you love my presentation? You need to motivate me so I can come tomorrow again with more fire, more energy. Oh, Queen gave me too much love. Hey, this love is like massage on my whole body. Try from head to toe. Thank you guys. Really love it. So it's time for questions and answers. I cannot end the session without asking you if you have any questions. So if you do, simply tap on reactions, tap on raise hands. Then I'll be able to see your hand, then I can ask you for your question. But if you are shy, you don't want anybody to hear your sweet voice, you can just simply type it in the chat. This is my okro math. I'll use it to read it and I'll answer you. So yes, I see new people in the house. Teddy. Is it Teddy Bear or Teddy? Uncle T, I think I know you. Relators. I don't know you, relators. And we have a new person here. Onye Query Chuku Ebuka. Is it my Chukwuebuka Stanley or which one is this? Because I have another Chukwuebuka Stanley or Onyekuri. This one Nigeria. Okay, Nancy, I know Nancy. Matthias is new. Cool, Charles. I think you also in the Sudan, South Sudan group. Okay, Mama Juliana all the way from Italy. Italiano. Joy David too, I know you. Oh, Madam Gloria too, all the way from Italy. Is it Italy or Spain? I'm confused. Telling you for a menu. How can I have all of you your names in my head plus your location? Why? I'm a Royal King robot.
You are more than the robots, my
Which
leader.
kind of wahala be this? I don't know how come I even save all this in my memory. Hey, my memory has a lot too. Queen Rita, Belgium. Elvis, Ghana. Joy David, Germany. Hey, Dr. Kadiyang, South Sudan. Okay, Dr. Robert, I don't know him. Doris, great. My namesake, Netherlands. Hey, another Doris. I hope you are like all the Dorises. So, hello, Doris. Can I hear your voice, please? I hope you are like all these Doris, because all the Doris I know, they are always on fire. Are you also like us? Or you're a different Doris? And we have Mad Dina. So if you know any Doris, let's do a challenge. If you know any Doris, go and tell them about RoyalQ. And I'll give you special one-on-one with them. Okay? Mad Dina to UK. Hey, Mama Dora, my namesake. She's from my father's hometown, my father's village. So we are the Voltarians in the house. Damsol. Damsol. I don't know this Damsol. Ah, Dr.
Dr.
Bushai.
Robert is my invitee from South Sudan. He actually
Oh, okay.
registered but remained for him to activate.
Oh, great. Dr. Robert, welcome. Hey, it
Yeah,
seems Leader
Dr.
Margaret's
Robert
team.
Patrick.
Oh, Dr. Robert Patrick. Oh, nice. It seems your team is just full of doctors, only doctors. Hey, Charlie, God should bless us with people like this, doctors, engineers, pilots. Don't you guys know any pilot friends? Charlie, if you link me up sharp. We need people like this in our team, great people. Dr. Busha is just laughing. Okay, Ben's iPhone, I know you. Alice, yeah, Alice from South Africa, I know you too. Then we have someone with index number. Is it my index number guy from Ghana? Dr. Uma, you like free things. Is that free flights? Hey, you people like freebies. Okay, guys. So let me stop the recording so we don't